In this lesson, let's learn about determining quadratic functions, given the conditions of the axes. 二次関数の決定、軸に関する条件が与えられた場合。To begin, we apply the conditions of the axis to the quadratic function y equals a, parentheses, x minus p, parentheses squared, plus q. This time, since the axis is the line x equals -1, we substitute -1 for p. Let 1 be the substituted expression. Next, substitute the points the function passes through into 1. This time we pass through points 1 and 3, and -2 and -3. So we substitute and get 3 equals a, parentheses, 1 plus 1, parentheses squared, plus q, and -3 equals a, parentheses, -2 plus 1, parentheses squared, plus q. Let those equations be 2 and 3, respectively. Next, we solve for a and p. From 2, we get 3 equals 4a plus q. From 3, we get -3 equals a plus q. From this, we know a equals 2 and q equals -5. Finally, substitute a and q obtained earlier into 1. Substituting, we get the quadratic function y equals 2, parentheses, x plus 1, parentheses squared, minus 5. This concludes finding the quadratic function given the conditions of the axes. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. The answer to number 1 is y equals 1/4 times parentheses x plus 2 parentheses squared minus 5. The answer to number 2 is y equals 1/2 times parentheses x minus 2 parentheses squared minus 3. Were you able to answer correctly? That concludes this lesson.